Hi everyone, I have come to my village. It's a rainy afternoon. Everything feels so calm, fresh, and peaceful. This is my home, and right here is my little garden filled with guava, sapota, pomegranate, and hibiscus tree. Because of cyclone, it's been raining all day here, and while I was walking through the garden, I saw a cat that looked exactly like Kittu. Kittu is the one that visits our home at Bangalore. She came near me and followed me around, and I gave her some milk. Then it was time for our lunch. We started preparing rasam, chicken curry, and rice. It's a simple, homely village meal. Ruby! Handshake. Thank you. Ruby. After lunch, I went to my grandfather's house and he showed me his garden, proudly pointing out all the fruits growing there. Hey! తాత నేను యూట్యూబ్లో పెట్టేదా It was raining a lot today, but the next day it was bright and sunny. I am back in the garden again and my mom's here too. And we are plucking some fruits. Later, we went to a nearby lake. It actually forms only during the rainy season, and in summer, it completely dries up. As yesterday it rained a lot, the complete place is filled up with water. I'm not sure if it is really a lake or just a seasonal water body, but it's such a beautiful sight after the rain.
ఊర్లో అన్ని కూరగాయలు వస్తాయి, సచివాలయం ఉంటుంది, ఆఫీసు ఉంటుంది, ఎంఆర్ ఆఫీస్ మాదిగా ఉంటుంది. బయట కూడా పోవాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఏదైనా ముఖ్యమైన వస్తువులకు బయట పోవాలా, విలేజ్లో అన్నీ దొరుకుతుంది. వాతావరణం బాగుంటుంది, అన్నీ ఊరు గాలి బాగా వసతి ఉంటుంది, పక్కనే ఏరు ఉంటుంది, ఏరుతో బాగా నీళ్ళు పోతూ ఉంటాయి, బాగుంటాయి. నిలబడుకుంటే చూడిస్తే బాగుంటుంది. ఈశ్వరుడి గుడి ఉంటుంది, అమ్మవారి గుడి ఉంటుంది.
That's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and do subscribe.